the drawings. Hello little friends, we are back. Let's draw this cute kitty with me now. Don't forget to leave your like and subscribe, okay? Let's go. Let's start the outline of our drawing by the head of our kitten. We draw the lines of the little left ear, the little whiskers, and a part of its face. Well done! Kittens are very popular and cute pets. Now we draw the two left paws. Very well! We follow with the outline line and draw its little tail. Did you know that there are several breeds of cats, and each one has its own unique characteristics? Let's draw the outline of the kitten's body on the right side and also outline its right paw. Well done! To finish the outline, we draw the little whiskers and the right little face. Very well! We draw the lines of the little right ear. That's it! It's perfect! To finish the lines, we will outline the details of our cute kitten. We start by drawing the right paw. Yes! We will draw the details of the little ears, one at a time. Now we will draw its big and cute left eye. We will draw his little mouth and nose. To finish, we draw his big, fluffy right eye. Yes, it's looking very good. To finish, we draw the loving hearts of our kitten. He is beautiful. Wow! We finished all the outlines of our cute kitten. If you like our drawing so far, subscribe to our channel so you don't miss any new drawing. Yes, that's great! Now let's paint? I have already separated the two colors that we will use to paint our cute kitty. To begin our painting, we will use the color light pink to paint all the details of the kitten. We will paint the four little paws of the kitten one at a time, step by step, very slowly. Kittens are known for their beauty and their charming qualities. They are affectionate, playful, and love to be petted. It is important to take good care of them by providing adequate food, fresh water, a cozy place to rest, and toys for them to play with. To finish off the pink color, we will paint their two little ears and their cute little nose. Wow! It looks so good! To finish our painting, we will use the color red to paint the final details. We will paint our kitten's tongue. Very nice! Finally, we will paint the two hearts. These hearts symbolize the love and affection that the kitten is feeling for his owners. Yes, very well. Our kitten is beautiful. Wow! Our drawing of the kitten is now complete. My friends, the drawing of our cute kitten is wonderful. Drawing and painting with me was a great way to learn about kittens. Congratulations! The drawing was amazing. I hope you had as much fun as I did. Now you can like this video and subscribe so you don't miss any new drawing. I will always bring new drawings here. A super Ava kiss and see you soon.